This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 76 F150. Speedometer's about 10 miles an hour off, so we're going about 60. You know, for a lifted short box, drives pretty good. Really doesn't wander around the road. Tires are noisy. Big mud terrain tires. Down there you can see their oil going down the road, just about 50 pounds. Temp gauge running 210, 220. So this is just good driver quality truck. Not a perfect truck by any means, but it drives really nice. Gas gauge works. Blinkers work, they just don't cancel. You can hear the stereo in the background. So in there, I'm not even holding on to the steering wheel. And you can see we're going right straight down the road. So for a lifted, big tired truck, it definitely goes down the road nicely. Any questions? 605-695-7391.